today we'll talk about how can you select video on your cheat app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on video resolution, click on it. So then here can you select video resolution. If you want to add it CD or HD here, that's all you have to do. That's all. So here can you select it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.